Welcome to the Stormwatch 9 webcast in your Monday afternoon. I am meteorologist Kevin Skarupa. Looking at fair skies out there this afternoon. Big story is the tumbling temperatures through the remainder of the day after highs from the upper single digits up north to lower half of the 20s in southern areas. We will start to see those slip back some through the afternoon and eventually by later this evening fall to the coldest levels we have seen so far this season. As cold as in the 20s below zero in parts of the North Country to barely just above zero along the seacoast. So a lot of areas going at or below zero later on tonight, and a lot of cases in the single and double digits below zero. You will notice on Futurecast here that the clouds continue to wither away. Partly cloudy skies up north, but enough of a clearer sky that they even saw temperatures near or below zero early this morning. So I think tomorrow morning, well below zero looks to be an option, and a very changeable day for us tomorrow. After the very cold start we eventually climb out of with a little bit of sunshine early, clouds will thicken around lunchtime, and by later in the afternoon, after 2 or 3 o'clock, we'll start to see some light snow develop. I think a lot of this anywhere along and south of the White Mountains. That light snow will be on the fluffy side yet again, with temperatures mainly in the teens in the afternoon, so a very similar consistency to the snow we saw over the weekend. Unfortunately, it looks like the timing of this snow will be centered right around the evening commute, and so we'll be looking at snowfall amounts of a general 2 to 4 inches of snow anywhere along and south of the White Mountains, a little bit less in the upper valley and farther north. And there could be a couple of spot 5 or 6 inch amounts depending on if that circulation develops a little bit more or is a little bit slower to leave by around mid-evening tomorrow. That is something we'll be tracking here as it moves closer, but bottom line is tomorrow afternoon's commute looks like it could very well be a fairly slippery one south of the White Mountains. This afternoon we're talking 7 to 24, but eventually falling back late in the afternoon and eventually between 25 below and 4 above from north to south tonight. We get back into the teens just about statewide tomorrow. Sunshine to clouds and some afternoon light snow developing. And again, that'll be most organized either side of the evening commute before withering away in the evening. And then beyond that storm system, we look at a warming trend for the end of the week.